Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, it's going to be a quick video. We just want to look at how we can disable this news feed or weather feed on a Windows 11 machine. Now to disable this, all you have to do is on this taskbar, just right click and click on taskbar settings, and under personalization taskbar, you'll see that there's this taskbar items, there's this widgets option that's on. If you toggle it to off, you see that this is disabled. So if you look at this bottom left here, if I toggle it to on, you see it's back on, and if I toggle it to off, it's off. The other thing you can disable is the task view. It's referring to this that allows you to have multiple desktops. If you don't want to have this, you can just toggle this to off, and as you can see here, it's turned off as well. So that's all for this video. That's how you can disable the feed on your taskbar. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.